Well, let's see what trading is looking like in Nigeria. On the other side, it's all been in red today, but let's see. Here, it's on the other side, it's closing in green, positive 0.47%. And joining me to analyze markets is equities trader at Rostrum Investments and Securities Limited, Mr. Dele Sanusi. Thank you so much, Mr. Sanusi. It's good to have you on the show. The week is starting in green. How does it come to you? What is playing out? What are the fundamentals driving the market at this time?
Thank you, Tolu. Good afternoon to you. Looking at the market today, it closed also at the positive territory, and you are going to see the likelihood of the consumer goods. You see Presco, you see Peter Glass, you see Fighter Foam, you see PZ, you see NAPO, and many of them, with good fundamental, they went up, and it's not far-fetched. Looking at our market, you should know the relationship between the interest rate, inflation, and the stock market. If last week we have a kind of auction, and you will see that a lot of money was returned from auction for the 360 instrument. About 1 trillion was returned back to the subscriber, and that is a huge lot of money. And the money must enter somewhere. And that's why you're going to see a lot of reaction in the market today. And you should know that also, as the rate is crashing, people with there's the kind of the migration of funds from the fixed income into the stock market. So it is not surprising seeing the market doing wonderfully well today.
All right, then, yeah, I'm with you. I'm looking at the gainers list today on the chat box here. We have Champion Breweries, we have NIMET, we have FTN Cocoa, Presco, Better Glass. Yes, you mentioned those companies. Now, let's see on the losers list now. Julius Berger, Charms, NSL Tech, Multiverse, Red Starex. Any of these stocks are catching your attention at this time?
Not really. What is just happening in the losers is a profit taking, and which is going to correct itself as time goes on.
Beautiful analysis, as always. I must thank you so much for your... I pray that we'll sustain this positive all through the week. In 30 seconds, do you think we will? He said amen. All right. I must thank you so much for your analysis, Mr. Dele Sanusi. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Well, let's take you outside our shows now and tell you that South Africa's National Treasury says the country has signed a $1.5 billion loan